Do you want to send a picture on Twitter X message? You can send a photo on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a picture in a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where you want to send the picture. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the plus icon next to the message box. Your phone's gallery will open. Now, select the photo you want to send. You will see a preview of the image before sending. Add a text message if you want. Once ready, tap the send button. Your photo will instantly appear in the conversation. The other person will be able to view the picture in the chat.